How to delete Betway account permanently. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways to delete your Betway account permanently. In order to do this procedure, you'll need to do it from your web browser. So for that, go ahead and open up your web browser. Once you open up on the web address bar, type in betway.com/login. Make sure that you already have an account and then tap the login button, enter in your credential and log in into your account. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the interface that's going to look something like this. So while you're on this page, go ahead and tap the tab bar icon from the top left hand side corner. On the left hand side bar, scroll down right to the bottom and click on delete account. This is going to take you to the deletion page where you need to go through a statement regarding deleting your account and all sort of things. So if you're sure about deleting your information or your account, you need to go through the following information that you've provided and click on declaration and click the submit button. As soon as you do that, the deletion request will be submitted. All you need to do is wait patiently until you get further notified. In this way, you can delete your Betway account permanently. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.